$10,000 a month, you need an income stream that generates you $322 per day. That's only 10 sales a day. Digital products are one of the best products that you can start selling online as a side hustle. This side hustle is beginner friendly, very easy to get started, little to no investment needed to start, no inventory like you have with physical products, and you have very high profit margins, usually 100%. I love creating digital products because you only have to create that product one time. Then you can sell that one product unlimited amounts of times over the next 5 to 10 years. You're not just creating a digital product, but you are creating a digital asset that can generate passive income for you. And if you're gonna use the free traffic sources that I'm gonna show you in this video, you're gonna have literally 100 insane. Selling digital products is by far one of the most simple, quick, and most profitable ways to start earning passive income this year, especially by using the power of AI. In this video today, I'm going to show you how you can start this as a complete beginner with just 3 simple steps. So let's get right into today's video. Step 1 is creating the digital product. This can be a PDF file, a guide, a video, or just anything that can be downloaded. It just has to have value or solve a problem in some way. You do not have to be an expert in something to sell a digital product on it. You just need to know more than your customer knows and identify a target audience. This could be about health, fitness, mindset hacks for moms, things that help you with your faith, cooking, or even just any life experience that you have. The possibilities are really endless. You just have to pick a target audience, decide on a niche that you have. The possibilities are really endless. You just have to pick a target audience. Digital product ebook ideas are narrowed down even more. I love this one right here, the Positive Mom Mindset Hacks one. So now let's ask it again. We're gonna go ahead, just copy and paste the favorite one and say, the Positive Mom Mindset Hacks for Optimistic Living sounds good. Now can you write the ebook for me? And in seconds, it will write you an entire ebook on this topic. I also love using Trend Assist AI because it literally will give you answers specific for you and actually gets to know you because it's like your coworker, unlike ChatGPT that will literally give you the same response for everybody. I was using ChatGPT for a while until I realized that a lot of people's posts, a lot of people's products started to look a lot alike, so I had to seek out some different AI platforms. And you guys already know I don't gatekeep anything, so I got you guys. It's just crazy what AI can do. And for AI, I put that link down in my description box down below and in the top comment as well. So now that we have this written out ebook, now we're gonna head over to Canva. You can go to Canva and just type in ebook to the search. It's gonna bring up all of these templates that we can use. You're now just gonna copy and paste everything over from Trend Assist AI to this ebook and just swap everything out to your own. Then just to get a mock-up for the product photo listing, we are just going to screenshot or save this front cover of our ebook. We're gonna go back to the Canva search. We're gonna type in ebook, our ebook. We're gonna go back to the Canva search. We're gonna type in ebook mock-up for product or product ebook mock-up, and we can just upload this photo and put it into this mock-up here. And now we have our product photo that we can use for our online store. You can see this is very simple. I always say to keep your ebooks and digital products very simple and straightforward. Don't try to be too fancy. Usually simple is best because they bought it for the value. So you just want to make sure that you really just focus on that more than anything. And don't be afraid to add in your own personal touches to this. Just because AI wrote this, you can of course go in and add your own little personal touches because the AI is the coworker doing bulk of the work for you, like 90% of the work. You're gonna do the